Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel Gadget Rishi. In today's video we are going to talk about some basic checks and measurement of clearances on the mooring winches. This is a PMS activity and should be done at about 3 monthly interval. The first thing we are going to check is the operator handle. Can it move smoothly, and most importantly, does it return to the zero position once you release it? This is to ensure safety and stop of operation as soon as the lever is released. Next we are going to start it up and check that the system is working fine. Is the drum able to operate both in a head and astern directions? So up, you can see the drum turning. As of now the clutch is disengaged. Yes, so we verified that the winch can turn smoothly in either direction. Next we check the oil level for the gearbox. It should be more than that red dot you see in the middle. Then a general inspection of the brake drum. Now we are coming to the clearance measurement part. So the first one is the gap which we have to check to make sure our brake band is in good condition. So you see the pointer over there and then you see the gap. So this gap is essential, which will be an indicator to show that our brake lining is in good condition. And as written, when the indicator and the brake ring are coming in contact with each other, it is time to replace the brake lining. So as of now we have a good decent gap. That is a healthy brake lining condition. It will do its job. Coming to the next clearance, it is the brake band support clearance on the bottom. This is an adjustable clearance and it should be ideally be around 2 mm. We'll show you where exactly it must be taken. Yeah, over there it's a support for the brake band. It should not be in contact. There should be a gap of about 2 mm, and we are checking here with the feeler gauge and verifying the gap to be about 2 mm. The next is the electromagnetic air gap, which we have to take at 3 different places. Yeah, so these are the bolts, access bolts, which we need to open. So now we are taking out the access bolts in order for us to be able to measure the air gap or the electromagnetic air gap. Yeah, there you have it. So this is where we need to insert the feeler gauge and verify that the gap is as per the given limits. Yeah, as of now we have about 1 mm here. Now it's time to check that everything is good. So we are releasing the brake. This is where you engage and disengage the clutch. So you have to be sure it is locked in the correct position. So we are giving it a turn ahead and astern to position it to the locking pin. Yes, there you have it in alignment, and once you have it, remove this pin and then engage the clutch. So once engaged and you operate the lever, the winch will turn together with the drum. So that's all for this video. We hope you are liking the videos, and I'll see you in my next one.